Please.
Good morning, everyone. Sorry for making you wait. My name is Álvaro Hernández from Paulo University. I'm from Mexico, so after a French English accent and an Italian English accent, you will have a Mexican English accent, so sorry for my bad English. Today I will present some of the results of the research carried out by the Japan Subculture Study Project Office. This presentation is based on the preliminary analysis on some and some hypotheses about different aspects in Japan's subculture and in Taiwan and Hong Kong. You can see more details in the paper, but I will just show in this presentation just some of the aspects to be in which I want to focus on in this time. So, introduction. The aim of this presentation is to show a part of the results of the questionnaire survey conducted by Japanese Subculture Studies Project Office in Taiwan and Hong Kong, focusing on the analysis of social practices of manga readers in the context of Japanology. We will pick up the practices of cosplay as an illustrative example of how manga reading comes to influence not just in the individual social life of consumers, but also shaping institutions and social practices from the subculture. Then asking for the place of Japan and Japanese atmosphere in the success of this, as has been said so clearly, Japanese influence in Neo culture, we will search not for a real Japan, but rather for the role played by an imaginary otherness in the shape of these subcultures. In the context of Japanese subculture, Taiwan and Hong Kong are placed in a very interesting middle position between China and Japan. The place of the Japanese subculture in the shaping of the identity of the fandom in these two regions could be interpreted in the type of these relationships, making of the comparative study of the fandom in Taiwan and Hong Kong and mainland China a topic of huge interest in Japanology as in subculture study. The study to be exposed in this presentation is just, I think, the beginning of this kind of study. So, the outline of the ASEAN Survey program by Japanese Subculture Study Program Office. Since 2010, our office has conducted a large-scale survey on the attitude of core manga readers in ASEAN. Of course, as many of you know, this survey was originally proposed by the European Manga Network, and our office succeeded in order to expand the research in areas toward Asia. This survey was planned to be carried out in the 6 following regions in Asia. First, mainland China, then Taiwan, Hong Kong, Korea, Singapore, and Malaysia. But at the present stage, we have finished the survey at mainland China as a full research, and Taiwan, and also in Hong Kong as main research. We haven't carried out a survey on non-readers, non-manga readers, so we can't compare with this data. We just prepared a survey on manga readers. The survey in Hong Kong was carried out at the 32 Comic Walk held on Kowloon Bay International Trade and Exhibition Center in the 27th and 28th of August 2012. We collected there about 200 samples. The survey in Taiwan was carried out at the Fancy Frontier held at National Taiwan University in the 4th and 5th of August 2011. We collected there 205 samples. Background. Taiwan and Hong Kong has been a window of China to the world, and thus the gateway of the Japanese culture industries to mainland China. In the early 19th, it was due to the closeness of Taiwan and Japan. The Japanese animation and manga was usually translated into Chinese in Taiwan first, and then was likely to go into Hong Kong rather than mainland China, where government restrictions were still strong. On cosplay, this was about the region Hong Kong and Taiwan. Then about cosplay. On cosplay, we can say that we see it as an example of a social practices of manga readers. So we think cosplay is a practice inserted, among others, within a consume and interpretation institutions that shapes fandom as a kind of community. So we are talking about fandom, and I will present a brief image what we are thinking of fandom is. We understand fandom as a social group constituted from the next three elements. First, consumption, when in this case means manga and anime-related subcultures. Then, institutions, where in this case means the agency market like Comic World and Fancy Frontier. There are many other institutions. And then practices, like in this case, the agency or practicing cosplay. But also reading manga or watching anime can be considered a practice in fandom. Okay. About the questionnaire. Now I will introduce the questionnaire. It was elaborated with the European Manga Network questionnaire as a reference, and it is composed of 30 questions that can be grouped in multiple categories. First, how the response becomes with manga. Then, the significance of reading manga. Third, practices related with the reading of manga. And fourth, social relationships. And five, the image of Japan. Then, the interpretation of the data. As I have said, in this presentation, I just pick up a few elements, but please refer to the paper to look at another more detailed explanation, and also the tables in the paper. Please. So, in the most of the case, the survey effected in Taiwan and in Hong Kong brings up a very similar data, but also shows important difference in some specific issues. First of all, I will show you some results of the frequency analysis to obtain an overall image of the respondents, and then I will show some of the results of a logistic regression analysis in order to obtain a closer interpretation of cosplay as a social practice. About the general information, I now just show about the age of the respondents. So in Hong Kong, the respondents were younger than in Taiwan. What may be a reflection of the proximity of Taiwan and Japan and the early influence of Japanese culture in Taiwan than in Hong Kong, as many references refer. Then aspects of consumption. We found that in most of the case, they begin with manga at the childhood, as expected. And also that the manga readers also have an important consumption of local production, followed by a consumption of American comics. And I want to stress this point because it was very high with the readers of in Taiwan, Taiwanese comics, and in Hong Kong, the readers of Hong Kongese comics, as you see in the data. So and then the main influences in the promotion of reading manga was in both regions. First anime, then Japanese video games, and then Japanese pop music, among others. Then about the activities and the cosplay. The most popular activities in both regions was one, to visit manga-related events, where Hong Kong shows much more interested than Taiwan in visiting this kind of events. And then to make doujinshi or practice cosplay, where doujinshi seems to be a little more popular than cosplay in the case of Taiwan, and vice versa in Hong Kong. But in the both cases, if we see the interest in practicing, not just doing cosplay, but also the interest in practice cosplay, we can say that many people are, in fact, indeed interested in practice cosplay if they have an opportunity. Then about the Japan-related items, I will just show some of the results of questionnaire. In general, we find that an image of Japan as something close to manga readers. There is a similar image of Japan in both regions, but a clear closeness between Taiwan and Japan, while the relationship between Japan and Hong Kong seems to be little more distant. So manga readers showed a preference for manga Japanese elements in manga. But in Taiwan and Hong Kong seems not to be so important that the nationality of the author. But in Taiwan, a Japanese flavor of manga and the fact that it comes from Japan are more valuable conditions than in Hong Kong. About the reason of the liking of manga, the preference for first aesthetics elements and second narrative elements was evident. Then the preference for Japanese atmosphere follows them in place, but this not was so evident in comparison with the other elements, like narrative or aesthetics elements. Now I will show you some of the results of the analysis of cosplay as a dependent variable, focusing on some aspects of consumption and social relationships. First, the number of manga, the numbers of manga books that they own seems to be of importance, and also the way they get the manga. But this importance is different. The number is different in Taiwan than in Hong Kong. But because in Taiwan they used to have about 21 or 30 books, when in Hong Kong they have about 120 or more books. Then the most interesting thing was in a apparently very different pattern. And then the way they get the mangas, because in Taiwan they used to read it by internet, like privacy, and in Hong Kong there was a tendency to read to purchase legally or borrow from friends or family. And then the most important thing was an apparently very different patterns in the activities carried out by cosplayers in Taiwan than those in Hong Kong. Because while in Taiwan they focus on 1, debate on internet about manga, 2, read manga on an internet cafe, 3, produce doujinshi artworks, and 4, go to doujinshi related events. These same activities not appear to be some determinants in the case of Hong Kong. Where in Hong Kong they just tend to go to the manga related events. That doesn't mean doujinshi events, not manga made by fans, but mangas that come from Japan. So as an hypothesis, I like to show some of conclusions. The following image of manga readers can be outlined as hypothesis. As a premise, we can make some difference between a wider consumption of manga among other cultural commodities from Japan or from other countries, and a more specific consumption of manga as a part of a specific subculture, fixely related with the social practices and institutions shaping a whole that we call fandom. This fandom was born from the consumption of manga of Japanese subculture, but also influenced these consumptions too. This is important because in the image portrayed by or surveyed, in the most of the cases, the fandom institution and activities precede the consumption of manga among the respondents. So there was this event, or like Fancy Frontier or comic, or the event in Hong Kong. They precede the age. They are before. These events were born in Hong Kong and Taiwan before they began to read manga.